Magical Mani Moments. It comes with sets labeled 1 through 12. Maybe you have somebody in your life that loves Color Street. You don't know what to get them. Get them a year of Color Street, which is in this box. $80 for the box. You get 12 exclusive shades not available for purchase. All right, number 1, Dance Till Dawn. What does this look like? Ooh, you guys, isn't that beautiful? All right, that is Dance Till Dawn. That is number 1 in the Color Street Advent Calendar. Okay. All right. Envelope number 2 is called Speakeasy. Oh, that's fun. Look at that beautiful blue and silver glitter design called Speakeasy. Mixed Mani look. Speakeasy is that one. She's pretty too. All right, are we ready to see what's behind envelope number 3? Envelope number 3 is called Ladies Night. Oh yeah, look at that hot pink glitter. There's a gold flash glitter in there, and I don't know if you can see that on the set. Again, Ladies Night is behind envelope number 3. All right, envelope number 4, just a reminder, right? You can gift these, you can keep them, gift the whole box, gift them individually, and whatever you would like. This is called Mix and Mingle. Oh, look at how fun that is. That's really fun. That's called Mix and Mingle. That's gorgeous. That's 4. Let's see what's behind number 5. Number 5 is called Smoke Show. What does that look like? Ooh, so we have almost like a lavender gray. Yep, it's a lavender gray with those purple sparkles in there. Envelope number 5. All right, this is called Starlit Soiree. We are on envelope number 6. So what are we wearing in June? Oh, look at that. Oh gosh, she's gorgeous. It's like that gold and burgundy. Then you've got those beautiful stars in there. Very beautiful. That is called Starlit Soiree. Who's going to be out under the stars in June? Envelope number 6, Starlit Soiree. Again, you don't have to wear these in order. I'm just giving some options. So these are the first 6 shades from our Magical Mani Moments bundle. I think they're amazing. Okay, so $80 for the full box. This is just half of them. So we're at $81 retail. And I'm not sure if this one is an FX, so I didn't price it as an FX. I priced it as a regular glitter. We're at $81 value with just half the box, and it's only $80. Like, what? You can keep half and give half, and you're ahead of the game. All right, so this is the first half. Let's see what the next sets have to offer. Number 7 is called Night is Young. Ooh. All right, my blue fans. You are going to want this. Look at that blue on blue, the different shades of blue sparkle. Wow, that is a beauty. All right, Night is Young is in envelope number 7. Number 8 is Champagne Tower. Ooh, look at those beautiful pastels, like a sunset. And then you've got, are those stars? Nope, gold glitter, gold flecks on there. Again, this one is called Champagne Tower, and she is in number 8. Number 9 is called Stellar Moments. And again, we have the star theme, kind of some ribbons in there. That is number 9, Stellar Moments. All right, 3 more left from this. Number 10, No Curfew. No curfew. So in October, there's no curfew? What? Have that fall, kind of almost a Halloweeny vibe without being overtly Halloween. You've got this neutral background, beige background, and then you've got these grays and gray, black tones in there, almost like a splatter paint. That's cute. That's called No Curfew. Okay. No Curfew is number 10. Just 2 more left in our Magical Mani Moments bundle. All right, number 11, we're getting ready for the holidays, and we're getting ready for a black tie affair. Let's take a look at that. Oh, is that gorgeous? Look at that black. And then you've got the flakes of gold glitter on there. That black tie affair. Number 11 in our Advent box, Magical Manny Moments box. Reminder, these are available until New Year's Eve. December 31st is the last day you'll be able to get the Magical Manny Moments box or any of our holiday gift bundles. Okay, they will go away. All of our bundles will go away December 31st and will not be available in the new year. So if you're wanting this, please don't wait. Think, oh, I'll wait for the new year. If you don't get it now, if you don't get it this year, you won't get it. Okay. All right. And number 12, our final one in the bundle is called Sassy But Classy. So what do we suppose Sassy But Classy looks like? Ooh, another beautiful purple with some fuchsia flecks in there. Sassy but classy. That is number 12 in our Magical Manny Moments bundle. Don't miss your opportunity to get these 12 exclusive shades. Again, great for gifting. So these are the final 6 of our bundle. I don't know if I can do this. I'm gonna try to hold them all up at one time, but eventually I maybe get there. All right, there we go. Those are all 12. I did it! Hooray for just a moment. These are all 12 shades of our Magical Manny Moments exclusive bundle for the holidays. All right, I'm putting them down before they all go flying on the floor. Use them. How would you use them? Would you gift these? Would you wear them as like a Manny of the month? You don't have to do them in order. You can mix and match. It is yours to have fun and play with. All right, we're just going to set those down because I don't want to drop them. All right. So which of those was your favorite? I'd love to know.